Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I would like to share with you guys a simple yet stunning bridal makeup for those lovely brides to be out there that wants to do their own makeup instead of hiring a MUA aka makeup artist. So if you wish to have this look on your wedding day, then just keep on watching. First of all, I'm going to apply the setting mist, and I just spray it on my palm and dab it all over my skin. Then I grab a foundation and apply it evenly on my face using this beauty blender. And yes, you can use any foundation, but make sure it is lasts all day long on your skin, because you know, during your wedding day it will easily get sweaty, especially when your wedding venue is placed in outdoor. So for sure you don't want your foundation melted easily, and my advice is just pick the right foundation. And now what I'm doing is concealing my under eyes, starting with my right under eyes and goes to the left one. Our key here is just to cover the dark shades on my under eyes area. As well as I applied it on my chin and on the bridge of my nose. Next step, I'm going to do the baking using the same loose powder as in my previous video, and the product that I use is from Make Create. Then I just buff in using this blusher brush and let it sit there for a while. Now I'm taking this flat foundation face brush and whip all the excess powder. Before I applied the dark brown color eyeshadow right there, I actually already set my eyelid area using a soft matte light brownie color, but I accidentally hit the pause button and unfortunately I didn't film that part, but it's okay. Then now I applied the eyeshadow, start from the outer corner of my eyelid using the matte brown color from Keep Color palette. Then I used the color on the shade Redonkulous here and layered it on the inner corner of my eyelid. At the same time, I applied it from back and forward to prevent any harsh lines. Same goes to my right eyes. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys that the eyeshadows palette that I use right there is from Laura Lee. It's Cat's Tajuntas, if I'm not mistaken. I cannot see it very well. And the box cover is so gorgeous and fancy with a glitter on it. And I really in love with this palette. Now what I'm doing is I'm about to contour my face using this Maybelline V Face Duo Stick in the shade medium, and start with my cheekbone onto my forehead and my jawline left and right. After that, I bounce the beauty blender and make sure there is no harsh line on the area that you're about to contour. If not, for sure, your face will look cakey. I'm using the Silky Girl eyebrow pencil to create the line shade first, so that it will be easy to achieve the sharp and neat eyebrows. For the filling, I'm using the Essence Eyebrow Gel to fill in the empty area which is in the middle of my eyebrows. I want to do my eyebrows a little bit wider and thicker for the wedding day because we are the bride and we need to look stunning. Same goes to the eyebrows as well. Okay, I'm taking the Maybelline Duo Stick again, and I'm just gonna use the highlighting stick, but my highlighting stick is almost dry out, and what I'm doing now is just poking the highlighting cream out using my small brush and apply it all over my eyebrow bones. Again, I'm using the same palette and use the same color as on my eyelid up there to do some shades on my under eye area so that my under eye doesn't look empty.
Are we wrong? Are we right? We jump first and then decide. It's hard to explain it. Heavy hearts weigh us down, and the water's getting deep. Do we swim or do we sink? 'Cause there's still a long, long way to go.
I put on the Silky Girl Eye Opener Mascara on my bottom lashes, just a little bit. Try not to put it very thick on your bottom lashes because it will look messy and will create that eye poop looks. For the eyeliner, I'm using the Maybelline Black Gel. This eyeliner has a thick consistency which is easy to apply it with a small angled flat brush, but you still need to be careful when you apply the eyeliner because for me it's a tricky part of all other makeup wear, and for sure you don't want to make a mistake and rub everything and start all over again. It will be very difficult for you guys, so try to make it slowly and properly. It's the blusher time. I grabbed my Ikambe palette and worked the pink peachy blusher on my cheek. I love this color here because it has a soft and natural pink which is suitable for a wedding bride, and I dab it all over my cheek right there. Don't forget the forehead area as well so that it will give you a tone color, and always blend it properly so that it won't left any harsh line. Second last step is highlighting. Using the same highlighter, I take my highlighter cream that almost dried out and spread it on top of my hand and begin to work it on top of my cheekbone and also on the other side.
We're over our heads, but we're holding our breath. Will we ever get to the other side before there's nothing left? Yeah.
Then I applied it on the bridge of my nose, on the center between my eyebrows, also on my pupils, and on my lower lips as well. After it's done, I contour my nose with the contour side stick and rub it evenly without leaving any harsh lines. And last but not least, I picked my ZA Vibrant lipstick in the shades of OR 333, which has that peachy soft orange color and it's very suitable for a bride. And using my bare fingertip, I slowly tap everything to let the cream absorb evenly to your skin. Okay guys, this is it. How simple and easy to do. I had so much fun recreating these bridal makeup looks and I hope you guys enjoy it. And yes, please don't forget to click the subscribe button below. If you like these bridal looks, please give me a big thumbs up. And stay tuned, there will be more videos for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you guys on my next one. Love you guys. Bye.